guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be at our first open house, and as you know, I love open houses because they're a chance for me to see new buses and all that. So let's get going here, but first I'm probably gonna stop to get some coffee because, you know, I like coffee and all that. And yeah, it's an open house, so why miss the opportunity to get coffee? So yeah, let's go grab some coffee. Yeah, just wait for the thing to fill. That's a nice sound. Okay, click on it, and boom, we got coffee. By the way, sorry for the tremendous amount of lag in this video that you guys are about to experience, but womp womp. Anyways, let's go. As you can hear by the blinkers, we got some buses with their turn signals on. Do we know which one? Ooh, toy models. Oh, I like the toy models. By the way, the audio and the video recording are separate, so if I say something not in past tense, that's why. But yeah, we got toy models. There's the train for all my train lovers. By the way, the textures for some of the buses haven't loaded. There's Taco Bell. Some of the textures for the buses haven't loaded in yet, and you guys are about to experience that in a few seconds. But first, let's go check out these buses. First one we have looks like a Nova Bus LFS hybrid, which I am loving for like right now. I like that bus. It looks so cool with the rims on it and everything, bro. It's so sick. So again, sorry for the tremendous amount of lag here, but womp womp. And yeah, all right, we got someone in that bus. You know, I guess they must be operating on it or something. But this interior looks pretty sweet. I like it. Ooh, accidentally sat in the seat. Yeah, as you can see, I'm at like 13 FPS right now, so pray for me. Do not know where that Taco Bell sound keeps coming from. There we got the Orion. I'm still working on how to pronounce Orion and Orion. We got the Orion that I drove in the video where I did the 110C. Well, it's not that exact one, but I guess yeah, it's like that one. The chassis is like it. So yeah, the interior looks pretty nice. Bus 1000, of course. Yeah. This vehicle was funded by Game Hunt. There's no image, so. This Orion looks pretty sweet if you ask me. I gotta be honest, I am loving those rims too. I mean, those rims remind me of rims from a game that I played where I drove a bus that was not on YouTube. I can't remember which one though. Yeah, take a sip of my coffee. I did that. That steering wheel, I like that steering wheel for some reason. I like it. Guess I haven't seen much like it, which is why I like it. Okay, on to the next one, which is the LFS diesel. Wait, yeah, sorry, wrong commentary. We got to check out those two Orions, which I will not be walking around, and then the LFS. If only my camera can pan up, so I can probably be wrong that this is not an LFS diesel. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna say it is until I get proven wrong, I guess. Okay, so that's the interior. It looks pretty cool. Bus 1506. It's got those pretty sweet seats on it. The two different kinds to be honest. This is an LFS diesel. I know that for sure. Oh, that one was also an LFS diesel. Nice. Yeah, walk around. We got the red rims, which I love very much. Now, you see, I thought there was turn signals on this one, but turns out I guess there wasn't, so... Oh, well. That's tough. Okay, moving around. Okay. The interior, you got the, like, screen in the back, like those little, infotainment screens, or not infotainment, like, next stop NSS screens, like the ones that are in, like, Vamos and Caledonia. You got the two different types of seats there. Now, this one is a wave bus. And I haven't drove wave bus since like old MBTA days. For real. Yeah, this XE40. Not much on the interior. I just haven't loaded in correctly yet. Same with this Orion. This Orion was like pretty much back in the old days, I guess. I'm guessing because I don't really see any much realism in it. It looks a bit blocky. Still looks really cool though. I think that's an office chair. Okay. Next up is the... I don't know what company... I know what company this bus is, but I don't know what company in Roblox manufactured it. But yeah, that's 7220, that bus right there. This one is not an XE40, even though it does have that like dash. That's not an XE40. It has that like steering wheel with that like gigantic center in it. I love those. Okay, walk out, and we're headed to the... Now the Bombardier, the Bombardier T1s did not load in for me. Oh, someone's selling head pads. Nice. Anyways, the Bombardier T1 did not load in for me because, yeah, I have the like trashiest internet, so that's tough. Just pray for me in chat for real. Oh my god, I'm running at like 16 frames per minute here. Now it's like 13. Now it's 9 and then 6. Low-key, I'm cooked. Alright, moving on. Let me get a coffee first. Alright, we good now. Let's continue. You can see the driver's seat of that train right there. The D40LF, now this D40LF was boosters only. It's supposed to be a 1998 one, and it's a really cool bus, and I love it, like a lot. I love it. Like it's gonna be a booster only bus, which will receive constant updates, and it's a test bus for Open Transit upcoming. What am I trying to say? Open Transit's upcoming thing where they release this. The rims I love. That's why I made them the thumbnail. The rims are amazing. Oop, phased in the bus. Now enjoy these few minutes of me trying to get back up to the door. Alright, we're good. Yeah, the rims again. I'm only paying attention to the rims because why not? Look at those things though. You can't tell me those don't look cool. I'm not the only one here. There are a lot of other people here. Now, these two buses are concepts. This one is supposed to be the Orion 7, and that one is supposed to be, I scrolled too fast. Sorry. No, New Presto systems by Open Transit. They're going to be using those, and if I could get a chance, maybe I'll be able to drive and then finally get to experience the New Presto systems. Alright, moving on to this XDE, oh, not the XD60. These two buses that haven't loaded in yet. Then the XDE60, which hasn't loaded in yet. Glad you guys caught a quick glimpse of it. Moving on, we got the... Okay. Moving on, we got the Orion, what is this one? 8085. I'm gonna have to search it up later, but on the top left corner of the screen, it should tell you which each bus is. But yeah, this bus looks cool. Different number, but kinda, yeah. The interior is kinda blank though. So, yes, police, they're on, escorting. This is the LFSA, nothing much to say about this bus. It's pretty cool. It's got the same chassis as the Orion that was on the other one. Yeah, I like it. I hear someone's car backfiring in the background. Don't worry about it. Oh, yo, they're grilling up over here. They're grilling up. Yep. If I sound really tired, it's because I'm pretty tired right now, you know. Yep. But don't worry, the people who watch this who like trains, you know who you are. Literally. Yeah, don't worry, the people who watch this who like trains, I got you. Introducing the train section of... Oh, we got the grill. Introducing the train section of TTC. Now, streetcar names I am not familiar with, so I'm going to have to rely on the CPTDB, Canadian Public Transit Discussion Board. But yeah. Oh, this is going to be way more fun. I'm going to have to edit this later. Yeah, we got train 4169. Okay, now moving on to the next train. We got, hold on, this is lagging me a lot. That's the outside of 4169, and there's the D40LF. Okay, next train is, I think, 4200, yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah, fell right through the bellows. 4200, that's the next train. So these trains have like a lot of detail put into them, so shout out to the developers and all that. So yeah, I'm jumping over the bellows this time. I'm not trying to okay. All right, next thing we got the last train. The last train, 4566. I'm gonna enter through the back door on this one. This train looks a lot similar to the ones I have in my transit. You know, like the seating is similar. They have seats near the bellows. They have multiple bellows. And, yep. We don't have a card scanner though, so yeah, we don't have a card scanner. We're gonna hop out the train. Clean. Alright, and let's head back to the D40LF and or not the D40LF, let's head back to the that like little area where I started the video, because that's probably where we're gonna end it. In the meantime, it'll give you a nice chance to see all that one bus that's about to come straight hurtling towards me pass by at full lagging speed. Alright, I have to look down at the road because, you know, it helps me walk faster. Oh yes, we have a merch stand. If you want to get some merch, then you can come over here, grab your merch. They got red hoodies, green shirts, green hoodies, black hoodies, white shirts. Got a D40LF. Anyways. Alright, so thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed me lagging multiple times. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Bye.